we're going to introduce this vibrant, amazing, good-looking, charming, and very intelligent person who happens to be the chairman of AAA Associates is with us. I'm going to introduce him, ladies and gentlemen. He happens to be Mr. Sheikh Fawad Bashir. Hello, assalamu alaikum. Good morning. How are you?
Walaikum assalam, and I'm very good. And thank you very much for having me today.
Thank you very much. It's wonderful to have you over here. The pleasure is all ours. So first things first, rather diving into, how the sector is working and how things are, I would want you to kind of answer that when in 2012 you decided to be a property dealer in the first place, and for a gentleman who's actually graduated as, you did ACCA. So how was it, for you to kind of go to your parents and be like, sir, mujhe abbo lag raha hai that, I'm going to be a property dealer. So what was the first response you got? And then how's been your journey so far?
Unfortunately, everyone who wants to be in this field get a very bad response. And not from the parents only, but from the colleagues as well. And everyone around just start asking, what are you going to be, a dealer? Not just a real estate person, but a dealer.
Yeah.
And that was the worst thing I got. But when I stepped into it, it was all different. There's a huge opportunity, a gap that all the businessmen can cover up.
All right.
So when you jump into it, it's amazing. You have opportunity to earn, you have opportunity to link business, and you can do wonders in this field.
Wow.
And especially in Pakistan. In Pakistan, there is a huge gap between the mindset of a person investing. They don't trust you. If you can create that trust, and if you're educated, people will start believing in you and they will invest in you. It's just that someone coming from an educated background is better than those who are sitting already.
Did you have trouble with developing the trust at first, though?
No, I don't think so. People do trust people who can give you some sense, some logic behind every investment. Unfortunately, those who are been in this field, they're very good people. But with some experience and with some history, they don't trust, investors don't trust these people easily.
Okay.
So I just recommend everyone to have some education, and specifically some financial education before coming into this field.
Because for an investor, you invest their money once, you give them the profit, they're all yours again, right? So, and that journey needs to continue. But then in all of these years, obviously there might have been profits and there might have been losses. And then God forbid, there are people, investors who just pull out just because of the fact that there were a lot of losses. So how did you cover all of that? And then for all of those investors you've had since 2012 to 2021, are they still with you?
Yes, they are still with us. And just for make sure that their investment is secure, I just started a company. That was the basic reason.
Okay.
When I'm telling someone to buy a property or a plot, it's not my plot. It's a society plot. It can go higher and can go down as well. Especially these days when there are files in the market which is not physically there, which is not tangible, and you just buy something which will go down, and you cannot, I personally cannot control that. So what I did, I started building some new projects.
All right.
And I made sure that they had some logic behind it. Like if I'm doing a project with some good brands coming in, and so that the investment the investor did was secure because the brands are paying the rentals.
True.
And their property value will not go down even if the market goes down.
True.
So to secure my investors, I started AAA Associate back in, I think, 2016. But the best part, as a real estate person, these days there are some very good societies in the market. When I jumped into Bahria Town, specifically I'm naming it, because it's a huge organization that is there in providing security, all sort of good services which are not expected to be in Pakistan.
True.
Being the Asia's largest society here. So that was very easy to tell clients to buy this, and there are so many things that we can market with it. But that was the good part back in 2012. If I think that there was no Bahria Town and there was not such good societies, it would have been so difficult for telling people to invest in real estate.
True.
But now with good societies coming in and we bringing up some good opportunities for the investors, now there is some logical security behind it.
Yeah.
Right.
Which was not there in the start. To provide that security, we did some good projects, and we made linking different businesses, hospitality with it, with food chains coming in our projects, and different brands jumping in, making secure the investment of the different clients coming to us.
Wow.
Right, but with that also sort of comes a larger responsibility of offering something that everyone else isn't, right? And especially in real estate, I feel like it's now a huge industry. I mean, it was a business, of course, but now it's such a huge industry. It's a thing that I have noticed, and we've spoken about it. All ads on TV lately are all about real estate, housing societies.
They have the money to spend.
That too, and also it's the need of the hour. I don't think this is something that will ever go out of business. People need to buy homes, right? So what are you offering that other people don't have? And then the sustainability of it. How can you make sure that this thing won't go down and people can trust AAA?
Basically, what we are offering is a complete service plan. What happens if you go to Canada, if you go to England, if you go to Dubai, normally in every country, they provide you services. They just don't sell you something and they forget your name.
Okay.
They make sure that even after 10 years, if a client is coming in, if he's saying that there is an issue in the property I just bought from you, we are there to solve that issue. That is the security we're providing. And that is how it works all around the world, not in Pakistan, unfortunately, but it is going the same way now. We're educating people, we're making sure that educated people come into this field, and we keep on providing the services. So that is what different we did. And it was very easy to grab this market. There was not such a huge competition in the market because no one was doing that. Everyone was just selling their stuff
land,
and running away.
Yeah.
So what we did, we just made sure that we are going to be there with you forever. We're not here just for 1 year, 2 years. We're not going to say after 3 years after completing the project, it's your shop and we're going away. We're providing you with the good businesses in the project.
Yeah.
We're giving you a complete plan. That's what we did differently. And as far as the industry is concerned and real estate in Pakistan, it's going to be huge. It's already 300 to 400 billion contribution. The 9% GDP, as the statistic shows, is due to the construction and the different fields related to real estate.
Exactly.
Right.
It's coming to Pakistan. So I believe it's a huge industry and we all need to do something good for this.
Of course.
And unfortunately, it's not an industry right now. Construction is an industry, but real estate is a sector.
Exactly.
Okay.
So if real estate people have to raise voices, they have to go through chambers of commerce, they have to go through Realtor Foundation, recently been there. So there are some ways we can raise our voice if there is some issue coming up, but we all need to take it a little seriously.
Exactly.
That's true.
Exactly. And in addition to that, I think it makes sense where you said that, to secure the investors' money, you actually had another plan backing that very particular plan where the investors were actually kind of investing in as well. And you said something which actually caught me, and that was that you said that, okay, we initiated to pay them the rental values. And this is the kind of offers we're seeing in the market, and which actually just came in now. I've never heard of it. So imagine that there was this gentleman who came up to me and he was like, sir, if you buy an apartment now, you will actually start to receive the rental value of that apartment from that very month as well, until the time it's going to be complete, or whenever you're going to get the possession. That's what it was. And I was like, hey, you know what? It sounds like a scam. Why would you take my money and then all of a sudden start to give me a monthly income? Why would you want to do that? Because it's not even there.
Right.
And then, so I certainly couldn't get my head around. So there might be a lot of people today listening to you. So how is that working? What kind of a plan is that? Because you yourself have done ACCA, so I think you can give us a better understanding. So for a thing which I'm investing for, which will be built in next 4 years or 5 years, how can you give me the rental value from that very month where I've invested in, and for the next 4 years and 5 years is going to be there as well? So you are actually returning all the money I have invested. Why would you do that?
Basically what happens, I believe that is actually kind of a scam. I don't agree to that.
Thank you
what
for
we
saying
do,
that.
we offer a discount value. If you pay us the straight up cash, we offer you some discount value. If you want to take this discount straight up, you can take this discount straight up. And what they give you a responsibility that after 3 years, 4 years, the rental value is our responsibility, our company's responsibility.
Okay.
That is not what they're giving you, but that is what AAA will give you.
All right.
That is what we are going to offer you, that even after 4 years, the rental value will continue. These kind of projects, they don't continue the rental value after 4 years. They're just giving you rental value right now. After 4 years, they'll say, okay, there's the key, there's your apartment, here you go.
Yeah.
And then you blind. You I just gave him some amount and he gave me some of it back from the same amount. And now I have to do this apartment. What's the price? The price is not even there what I bought it for.
Yeah.
So what we're offering is different. We give you an option to get the discount straight up. There's no way a person can give a rental value on a property which is not ready.
So it is a scam. Thank you very much for saying
First of all, it's a scam. Second of all, the investors should be logical. Unfortunately, working in this market, if I'm meeting someone, if I'm telling, they just come to me and tell me we want monthly because we're getting monthly from everywhere. So what we do, we break down the discount value and we tell, okay, fine, you can keep that monthly rental and you can just be happy. Unfortunately, the logic of an investor in Pakistan is not a 5-year investment plan. If you go all around the world, the mentality of an investor should be that they're investing for 5 years, 6 years, 10 years plan. That is a proper logical investment. The mentality here is like, okay, fine, I'm going to invest for 2 years. I'm going to give him $1 billion or like 10 million, and I'm going to get $1 million in a year back, and then I'm going to run away. Okay, fine, I'm earning so much. That is the mentality that needs to be changed. Every investment should have some logic behind it. If I'm offering someone some rental, it's because at the end of the day, my project is going to be there and it's going to be a huge area. A huge big brand is going to come and we're going to earn and we're going to share with investors. That is my mentality. But if the client is coming to me and saying me that I want the rental straight up because in the market there is a chunk of rentals they're paying me without the buildings being there. So what I offer them discount, and they don't want to take the discount straight up. I offer them monthly discounts, and I straight up tell them that is not what I'm offering you right now. That's not the rental value. The rental value is because of the brand I'm just getting for you. A big name is going to be there, which is going to pay you the rental value afterwards. But that's my responsibility. That's not your responsibility to grab a brand. If I'm taking your investment, it's my responsibility to make sure the project runs good. That is what they need to do.
Exactly, and that's wonderful. Thank you very much for saying that as well. And finally, I think all of that haziness about how people are paying rents is clear. I have a focused mind once again as well, and thank you very much for sharing the truth with the audiences out there in 46 different countries as well. But now, sir, coming down to how AAA Associates has been corporate very socially responsible as well. So your corporate social responsibility is on point. You have this Green Drive project as well. You've just been awarded by the president. If you want to certainly speak about that as well, because you kind of happen to be one of the top taxpayers within the country, with that too in the real estate sector as well. So how much was it, because I think the news is out there. And you do have the pictures as well. So if you can actually play the picture of President Arif Alvi awarding the gentleman. Yes, please, it's over here.
Congratulations on this, and I think we need to mention this. We understand you're really humble about it, but we need to mention it because, first of all, recognizing people who are responsible in a way that, of course, they're benefiting the country. And then again, this sector, how it's adding to the economy. Then also it's going to set a lot of inspirational example for the people in any sort of business to actually be a part of the TaxNet, right? So I think it was a brilliant initiative, and congratulations to AAA.
So
do you want to let us know about these pictures?
Well. I think that the comparison was amongst the Mancha group. This is
No. They were also a winner of another category. I'm saying that I mean the best were awarded.
And now, so the corporate social responsibility as well. Your organization is actually only 5 years old, and all of a sudden you're out there. It's not just the Green Drive only. You're helping the sportsmen of the country as well, and there's certain other plans which you have as well. So please share.
Basically, first of all, for the taxpayer, it was a very good achievement, and for the first time, anyone from the real estate sector got this award. And for me, that was a bigger achievement.
Was it in billions or millions?
No, it's not about the billion or billion. It's about recognizing the real estate side. I was so proud that we are coming into that point where the bankers